Guys, this is how you can post multiple photos in one status. You need to place on the updates, click on my status. Here you will need to choose the photos you want to put on your status. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And choose up to 6 photos. Place on this tick. Then here is the layout. You can choose this, depending on the number of photos you have. Then after you place done, then you will need to press OK. As you can see, this photo is added on my status. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech videos.